Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to make borax crystals, and let's get right into it.
Wreck it, watch it, do it.
So in order to make borax crystals, you're going to need the following ingredients. You're going to need borax. You're going to need some cups, preferably clear so you can see what's going on. Some food coloring, a couple pipe cleaners, a skewer or a couple skewers, some thread, and some water. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe because a lot of these ingredients aren't free and it takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos for you guys. So the first step is to take the pipe cleaners and then kind of roll them, or I don't really know what the word, bend them into kind of like a nest shape or a ball shape. And whatever shape you make, this is going to be the shape of your crystals. And you got to make at least 3 of these shapes for each of your cups. Next, you got to take the nest shape that you made and then using the thread, tie it to the skewer. Once you have all your shapes made and you've tied them to the skewer, line the 3 glasses or cups or however many you have across from each other and put the skewer on top of them so that they hang down like this. In a pot, boil 4 cups of water. After it's boiling, add 1 3/4 cups of borax to the boiling water. Then stir it around until dissolved. Now pour the borax solution into the cups at an equal amount. If you want, you can add a few drops of food coloring to make the color more vibrant. Then you have to let it sit overnight. Hey guys, it's day 2 of our borax crystals experiment, and this is what they're looking like so far. They're looking pretty good. So if I take them out of the borax solution, oh, there goes one of them. But here are the other 2. I'll fish the other ones out later. We have some massive borax crystals. Now all we need to do is dump out the borax solution and lay these on some paper towels. So this is the borax crystals on the paper towels, and if you look closely, they are really shiny and they came out with some very big and good looking crystals. So I say it turned out well.